We're now recording, and it's not just me.
No, stop it, Mr. Donahue.
Okay. I don't know who that was, but whatever. All right, so guys, go ahead and write the words warm up, please. On the back. Warm up, and then copy this equation, y equals 2x plus 1. And then y minus x equals 4. Okay, so we're going to solve this by substitution. Solve, please write what I write, by substitution. Okay, little reminder, I know your brains have gone a little soft over the week off. What am I about to draw? Ladies, I drew a bubble. Why was that easy? Because what was already isolated? Good. Where does that bubble go? Replaces y in the other equation. Good job. If you know what to do, work ahead of me. If you don't, follow along. So y gets replaced with? More than just one answer, please. Y gets replaced with? 2x plus 1. Don't forget what? Minus x equals 4. Why am I putting a check mark above those, Henry? Good answer. 2x minus x is what? Just x plus 1 equals 4. Finish it off for me by doing what? Subtracting 1. X equals. Okay, here's my ordered pair. Which answer do I have? Left or right? How do you know it's the left one? Because it's xy. Good. Where do I get the right one? Go back to the bubble, right? So y equals 2 times 3 plus 1. Y equals 6 plus 1 is 7. Check it in both equations. We just did in this one. How about this one? Is 7 minus 3 equal to 4? Yeah. It works. Okay, that's solved by substitution, okay? So now we're going to learn a new method. Draw a line and write solve by elimination. And in parentheses write addition. Gesundheit. What does the word eliminate in math mean? If I say eliminate a variable, there's a C word that sometimes we use. If I said positive x and negative x, what do they do with each other? They cancel. So everybody, cancel is what the key to the word, understanding the word elimination is. They cancel. Okay, so your first problem that I want to do with you as an example is this. So example 1, everything I write, you write, please. 2x minus y equals 5. And directly underneath it, I want you to write 3x plus y equals 10. Are these guys ready to go for substitution? Do you see how you don't have either variable eliminated, either variable isolated? See how they're not isolated? We'd have to do some work. But watch this. What do you notice about these two right here? Don't these two right here cancel each other out, like if you think about it? So everybody do me a favor. Draw a line and add vertically. So add everything down the line like that. I want you to add down the line. So what's 2x plus 3x? Huh? Still not hearing everybody. What's 2x plus 3x? 5x, right? What happens when I add negative y and positive y? What actually happens? They get eliminated. They cancel. So what about over here? What's 5 plus 10? Oh, wow. Look how easy this is. Tell me what x is in one step. X is equal to what? 3. Now, we're still halfway home, right? We know that x is 3. Now, guess where I have to go to get y? Don't I have to find y somehow? Well, guys, don't I have two equations I can plug it into? Don't I know that x is equal to 3 right here or right here? So all you're doing is now you're going to plug that in. Plug in 3 to either equation. Now, which equation is easier, do you think? The top one that has a negative y or the bottom one that has a positive y? Let's vote. Who says they should do the top one? Who thinks we should do the bottom one? Who doesn't think? Let's try that again. Do we want to plug in something that has a positive y value or a negative y value if I want to know what positive y is? There you go. Okay, here we go. So instead of 3x, we're going to replace x with what number? 3 times 3 plus y equals 10. Now what? What does that really equal? 9 plus y equals 10. So what does y equal? Y equals 1. So now my ordered pair is 3, 1. Now we already checked it in the bottom equation, but shouldn't it also work in the top equation? We'll verify it. What's 2 times 3? 6 minus 1, which is y. 6 minus 1 is 5. And just for fun, do it here. What's 3 times 3? Plus 1 is? We have verified that it works. Any questions on that? Okay, now that everybody has a separate sheet of paper to begin their homework, we're going to go ahead and do problem number 5 as your second example. So you guys have your worksheet in front of you. Here's problem number 5. We're going to use this as your second example. So when you do your homework on the separate sheet, you're going to copy down the problem. Y equals 2x minus 4 and y equals negative 2x plus 10. Okay, so my people watching the video, I only have 6 minutes left. So people in class, you guys have 6 minutes left to do this example with me. I say 6 minutes, I mean on the video. So everybody, is this ready to go? Is something going to cancel? Yeah. What variable is going to cancel, y or x? Which variable, x or y? X. Draw a line, put a plus sign. Now here's a mistake waiting to happen. You're going to add this, this, and this all together. So what's y plus y? Be very careful. 2y, yes. Equals, what happens to those? Cancel. Now be very careful again. What's negative 4 plus 10? Positive 6. Solve for y in how many steps? One step. I hope everybody's writing everything. Divide by 2. Y equals 3. Okay, on your worksheet for problem number 5, here's how you're going to do it. You already know half your answer. Which half do you know? Your left half or your right half? So the right half is 3. Agree? Now, where do you go to get the other half? Plug it into either one. Now, you know what y is, so you got to either plug it in for here or here. Top or bottom, it's up to you. You guys, let's vote. Top or bottom? Raise your hand for top. Top it is. So, we replace y with what? 3 equals 2x minus 4. Now what? Now what? Nope, we're trying to get x by itself. Add 4 to both sides. Right? Now what? 7 equals 2x. Now, folks, you haven't done anything wrong. What do I do last step? Hello? Divide by 2. But you're saying, Mr. Godbout, this can't be divided by 2. Yes, it can. What's 7 divided by 2? If I have $7 and you're splitting it, how much money do you get? 3 and half. Isn't this just a mixed improper fraction that needs to be made into a mixed number? So guys, your other answer is 3 and half. Okay? Let me write that neater. 3 and 1/2. So guys, you may get a mixed number as an answer. Everybody cool? Okay. Go ahead and continue working on numbers 1 through 10. You already have 5 done. That is your homework. It is due on Wednesday for you guys, Tuesday for period 3.